In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem. So if you have this type of alert button, I'll show you how to fix it. So in this case, I went to the customer, and the customer, they every time they push the button, nothing was happening. So it wasn't communicating and everything. So here I'm going to show you step by step what I did in order to troubleshoot the problem. I hope this will help you as well. Okay, here we have this device. This device is connected to the wall directly, but because we have the DSL modem connected at the same time, it's working in the same line, the device is not going to work. So I'm going to show you what is the solution. So if you have this problem, the only thing that you have to do is just you go to the cable modem and you just turn it off, and that's it. So that is how the device is going to work. And another thing that I was having another problem in another room. There was another wall jack, and this device wasn't working at all. But because it had some kind of noise, static on the line, that was the big problem. So by using this wall jack that doesn't have any problem I mean, there is no static or anything like that. I was able to solve it, but there was a static when the emergency was working. So the solution, like I mentioned before, you have to unplug the cable modem, and that's it. Oh, the DS modem DSL. That's it.